Hi everyone, it's Corrie. Today I'm going to show you how to put this Valentine heart candy holder together. So here we are with all of the pieces cut out. We've got these two pieces with a smaller hole in the centre. These are the back pieces. And the iris shutter will sit in between those two pieces. Just show you the iris shutter working. There's a separate tutorial linked down below to show you how to put that together. And these are the front pieces. We've got quite a few delicate cuts here, so using a good cardstock is essential. That's like a little, make it look shiny. Obviously it's optional if you want to put that on there. So I've used red glitter for the heart. The dome will sit at the front like this. And I've also used gold cardstock for the arrow. So I'm going to start by putting these front pieces together by flipping over the red glitter piece. And I'm going to be using this Beacon 3-in-1 glue. So just line it up. There should be like a little outline. The centre circles should align. As you can see, there's like a little edge that goes all the way around the design. Now for these pieces, as they're cut from like a mirror shiny material, I'm going to use this Zig two-way glue. I find that some of the other glues, it's got like a little felt tip end. I find that some of the other glues can stain the holographic or the mirror card. Like you can see it from behind kind of thing. You can see it coming through. And then I'm going to attach this piece again with the Zig two-way glue. And then we're going to move on to these back pieces. So there's the iris shutter working again. So the back piece is the piece with those little tabs folded over. And what we're going to do is just position it like this. And you can see where the arm is going to swing. So you can decide where you want to put it. I like to put it on the right hand side, but obviously it's up to you. See the little tabs at the back? And then what I'm going to do is use the Beacon 3-in-1 glue and go all around this outer ring on the iris shutter. Then I'm going to place it down and pick both of the pieces up and make sure that they're aligned at the back like this. You want these two circles to be aligned and you want to be able to still see the handle at the side. Okay, that looks good. Okay, you can see where it's going to open and close there. And the next step is to use double-sided foam tape. This one's from Lulu. And I put it all over this back area here. But I avoid from there to there, which is where the arm is going to swing. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Beacon glue again and go around the outer edge of the iris shutter again. Taking the next piece, which is red, I'm just going to align them as best I can. And then if you just give it a squeeze all of the way around. And then I like to just check that the iris shutter is still working okay, because sometimes we can put glue or a bit of the foam tape in the wrong place and it will block it. So I just like to check, all seems fine. And then I like to place the front piece on top and use it as a guide for my glue. I'm going to be using the Beacon 3-in-1 glue for this. Okay, so then I remove the front pieces and place the dome into the glue. Now I've left this little tab on my half dome. You can remove them quite easily if you don't want it to be there. Okay, so the next step is to either use foam tape all around this area or glue. I'm just going to use glue today. It depends on how much of a 3D effect you would like your project to have. And obviously if you can leave things to dry for a bit longer than I have here, I've just done it all really quickly for this tutorial. So once you've got what I call the back and the front pieces together, all aligned, just give them a squeeze all of the way around again. And I'll just show you the iris shutter working once more. And that is your finished candy holder. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. Please follow and subscribe. Thanks now, bye.